Tycoon coins. Buffaloes. Don't do her dirty. Just need 1 gold. 1 gold. She needs re-triggers.
Come on, guys. Do it for me.
Please. Coin, 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 coin. No, don't do this to her. Oh my God. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you need coins.
Back in.
Okay, you got the head. So now all the cougar or all the cats changed to coin. I'll give her 1 good multiplier hit.
Come on, guys.
Yeah, but you needed all to connect. 3 games. We need more re-triggers.
Guys.
No. Coin, coin, coin. Last game. Oh, well, you at least got 1 good buffalo hit.
Damn, that's good.
$3 times 12. You needed all those re-triggers that she's giving.
Yeah, right? Yeah, that's right.
Oh my God.
She's winning.
Yeah, but she doesn't have the 13 heads.
Whatever.
Oh God, if those multipliers would have connected.
I'm really good.
$44. Okay, we got the feature. Let's see how this goes. Hopefully we can get trains in the feature. Come on, trains. Okay, I think that's good. Trains. Okay, that'll open that up. Okay, what train? Blue. I don't know what blue does. Oh, it just increases values. Okay, we got that thing. Green, I think green's good. Okay. Something good. There's some big numbers. $6 out of it. Okay, what's the other one gonna do for us? Oh, bringing something else. Another 20, 30. Okay. Okay, now what's this one gonna open up to? Another green? No, blue. We got that thing. Did that open that up? cards after the feature. Okay. I think we want to get a lot of shit. Did you do die out on me? Come on. Save it anywhere. Okay, now we got the golden train. See what this does. Those people walked away too soon. We still have a golden train bonus. There we go. I don't know what it does. Is it gonna be each car worth 20 bucks? No. Mini. Oh. More? Where's your friends? No friends, huh? Well, that was fun. Golden train. I didn't know what Alright, I'm just gonna stop at 50. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day. Yeah, just don't. Well, I'm not even gonna say it. Like the major, but okay. No. Oh, we collected one. Well, we got 15 spent, so we have high hopes. Uh-oh, we need more heads. No. Seeing coins. Well, there's one, but that don't do us any good. Come on, coins. Coins and heads. Coin. Everyone, we're out here at Red Hawk Casino. We have the new Rakin' Bacon, I don't know, oh, Soten Fountain Fortunes. Okay, I'm gonna try the buy a bonus, just a 45. See what happens. Here we go. Oh, we got two? Okay. We didn't get real grow. See how this goes. We just got to win $45. Make them good. Okay. Now let's just hope we can collect them a couple of times. Uh-oh. Gotta collect it at least once.